Lift, scrape, push.
Push it right back on.
It might not be conventional, but Jim Hartzell, who helps oversee the cemetery, is working to put these graves back into place.
Could be someone's grandpa or parent's grave, or maybe they had a son.
Karen Christ from Indianapolis and Teresa Moran from Mishawaka are related, but just met for the first time on Tuesday.
We shared the same great-great-grandparents, which are buried here.
But they didn't like what they found.
And to look around and to see that people have been so disrespectful to, the people that we've laid to rest here.
Hartzell, along with another guy from Northwood Monuments, are giving up their time to restore the headstones.
We're trying to lift them up and put new putty on and get them back in the same position.
These tombstones aren't small. This one here, caretakers say, could weigh close to 1.5 tons. And if you compare my forearm, its base is 1 forearm wide and 2 forearms long, which means they'll have to bring in some heavy equipment to lift ones like this.
We're going to get into the larger stones, and it'll take a longer time.
For Moran and Christ, they hope deputies find who did this.
Prosecute and let everyone know who it is so that they will have to live with this shame.
And when Hartzell's done putting things in order, he hopes those responsible get the message.
If you're out there looking for some fun, I don't think this is the place to have it.